Friends, I hope you are all fine. So, friends, I will discuss a topic that the best earbuds 2024 wireless and wired buds for all budgets. So, let's start our video and go to the mobile screen. The best earbuds are essential for easy to filling in a pocket, music on the go, podcast for a long haul flight, calming playlist for takeoff, motivational soundtrack for the communicate. You got this, and you are doing great. By the way, some things to throw in a gym bag and get you throw the spin class earbuds are a top shot. The best of the bench can impress you in a cocoon of sounds blocking out of the rest of the world. These days you do not need to sacrifice battery life, extra packs or sound performance to get the teeny case for factor either. We have tested literally hundreds of pairs of and we know that we are looking at and is listening to. You may notice the older Sony WF 1000 XM4 wireless earbuds have disappeared from this list. Yes, it is the end of an era, but they are no longer readily available. The first one summer 2023 issue Sony. The first one is Technics EAX did not specification weight 7 gram acceptations we had no those drivers 10 mm battery life is at 7 hour earbuds up to 25 hours charging case. Today best deals Amazon black or silver and silver color. The Technics EH-AZ80 buds sound fantastic and they are packed with the features. Different features are stand out is triple point connectivity which we found to be stable and useful as well as Bluetooth 5.3 with LDAC compatibility, and thanks to just my voice technology these buds are far less prone to wind noise interference, less prone to wind noise interference than reveals their only minor shortcoming and battery life at only 7 hours from the buds at 25 from the case, and the ANC which could be a tad more impressive. The sound they make is also accomplished. It's both swift and accurate as well as balanced and detailed. In our review we wrote the whole frequency range is really nicely balanced and concrete from top of bottom and every even handed from the deep nicely textured bass to the clean politely acting terrible. We also found the mid-range to be both and informative and accomplished. The price of the Technics EAH-AZ80 is that of the premium product for sure, but thankfully so is the specification. Overall, this is a pair of buds that delivers excellent sound quality, a fantastic fit, and that industry first triple device multi-point connectivity, and it's all together. And we think they are a better value package than the top buds from Sony or Boss. So the second one is Nothing Ear specification, exotic design, closed weight 4.7 per earbud, frequency response no listed, driver 11 am, battery life 5.5 hours, buzzer to 24.5 hours. The Nothing Ear are a serious improvement from Nothing rocketing its bud from being fine, but nothing special to these are the best value you can get for the price, and they are fun yellow color while doing it for the sub $100 to £100 price. There are so good and feel premium. In our review we said compared to the similarly priced and fantastic Sony WF-C 70 700N. The nothing earbuds look more premium and feel more foxy. Their noise cancellation is a touch more. Next one is G Lab Go Air Pop. Specification: exotic design, closed weight for 3.7 gram per earpiece. Frequently response 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Drivers 6 drivers. Battery life on board 32 in total, 8 hours from buds. The G Lab Go AirPods Buds proves it's possible to purchase a fantastic set of true wireless earbuds on a tight budget. The boost reliable Bluetooth connectivity and top battery life, 8 hours from the earbuds and a whopping 32 hours from the buds, and the case combined with plus on device volume control that works better than reveals more than double of the price, and a triple tap to pick from 3 different EQ profiles. Any meaningful sound comparison between these cheap in ears and class leading products at 10 times the price really is not a fair, is it? But this the J Lab buds easily beat everything else in their price range of sound features, build quality and reliability. Vocals are relatively well handled through the upper mids. The bass is sensibly refined and the sound stage is surprisingly expensive. So friends, I will discuss three earbuds in this video. I hope you are like a video.